Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, remember the video I posted this morning. In that video, I was complaining about what the minister said about Amazulu and the way the minister was accusing Amazulu for spreading e-violence in South Africa. But at the same time, there's something important she said on that video. She said there are those people who are busy spreading lies, posting AI videos on internet, taking videos from other countries where they were abusing people, beating up people there. Then they will say those things are happening in South Africa. Okay, guys, let's assume those things are happening here in South Africa. Is it the right time for some of us as South Africans to post these videos and put petrol on the fire that is already burning in Africa? The fire that is burning the whole continent. You know, the continent, even the whole world is already on fire, and we are putting petrol on top of that because of the things they are claiming are happening in South Africa. How can we post the same videos as South Africans? I'm not trying to defend whatever other people are complaining about. If there's something wrong that is happening on the streets, we are all condemning that. But at this time, I don't think it's the right time for us to post these videos and to comment the way we are commenting, to put fire, to put petrol. Why are we not defending our country, especially at this time? Even our president, as bad as he is to us, he is busy defending this country nowadays. He is even defending us for the first time, telling the world that we are not xenophobic. Why? Because they know that if these things are proven to be true, our country will be having a problem. I was very disappointed to hear someone I trust so much speaking like this.
A man is trying to sell goods to feed his family. You are basking in the sun holding a beer, and you automatically turn into an immigration official simply because Jacinta Ngobese has made you feel that you must take action against these people. A man is trying to find a way to feed his family. Instead of voting the ANC out, the ANC that have put South Africa in this situation, you are harassing, threatening, beating people up that are trying to find a way to survive in the world.
I disagree with so many things that Katleho is saying in this video today, but on this issue of voting out the ANC, instead of crying each and every day, we have a strong weapon, which is our vote, to vote out the ANC and be free. We cannot continue to cry with our weapon on our hands. Well, let's vote out these people.
You are harassing, threatening, beating people up that are trying to find a way to survive in the world. You even record it because you think what you're doing is a noble thing. You expect to be praised for this nonsense. We cannot praise this rubbish. This is an evil act being carried out by lazy thinking people. It is pure evil. You can't even claim that this guy took anything of yours. The guy has nothing of yours. What a shame. I will not support anything to do with abusing or harassing people on the basis of their color or nationality. Protest in front of the president's Palapala farm. Protest at the union buildings. Protest at parliament. Protest at Leon Schreiber's offices. Go wherever your public servants work. Wherever they are, protest there.
But those videos are being used to propel and mobilize an international outburst against South Africa.
As I said earlier, some of the things Minister Khulume ngazo izolo are very important, like this video, these videos that are fueling these other countries, the videos that are putting more fire on what is happening around Africa, even beyond. So that is why I think Katleho made a mistake by posting a video like this, especially at this time. The timing is not right at all. And even if whatever she's complaining about is legitimate, but the timing is not right. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.